So I'm going to start off by taking my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and I'm just applying that all over my eyes as a base for my eyeshadow, and blending that out with a beauty blender. I'm then going in with my Makeup Revolution palette, and I'm taking the lightest shade in that palette with my NYX blending brush, and I'm just applying that all over the concealer to kind of set it into place. I'm now going in with that light brown shade there using my Morphe M441 brush, and I'm just blending that right above my crease and up towards my brow bone. And now I'm going in with that rusty orange shade using my Morphe M433 brush, and I'm doing the same exact thing, just blending that over the top of the other shade. And once again, we are doing the exact same thing with that shade as well, just blending, and building up that shadow. And I'm just going in with a little bit more of that lighter eyeshadow just to blend as much as possible to make it look nice and seamless. And now I'm just going in with some Aveeno makeup remover wipes, and I'm just cleaning up my eyelid, making sure it's pretty much free of eyeshadow. We just want a cleaner base. It doesn't have to be perfect. You really don't have to do this if you don't want to. It just helps to make the concealer stand out more and be as bright as possible without it mixing or blending in with the eyeshadow. And now I'm going in to do my cut crease, so I'm just patting down some concealer onto my eyelid, and I'm using a smaller brush to create my cut crease. Sorry, this footage is a little bit blurry, but I'm bringing the cut crease up higher than my actual crease, and I'm winging it out past my eyebrow. It's a very dramatic cut crease, but that's how we're going to create our double cut crease. And now I'm just patting some light eyeshadow over the top of that just to make sure it's lightly set. Now I'm going in with this dark brown eyeshadow and my Morphe M213 brush, and right above where we cut our crease, I am adding some of that dark brown shadow to create some more depth. You don't have to worry too much about that brown shadow mixing in with the concealer you just did, because we're going to be going over that again anyways, so just focus on making sure it looks nice and blended up towards your brow bone and on creating that depth. And I'm just going in with a little bit of black shadow as well. You don't want to do too much, just a little bit to add even more depth to the look. The more black you add, the harder it's going to be to blend it out, so you want to make sure you're not putting too much. And now I'm just going in with my Morphe M562 brush, and I'm just taking a little bit more of the other shadows we used before and working to blend out that harsh line. And now we're going back in with some more concealer just to make it look nice and clean and sharp again. And sorry about some of the footage being cut off here. I definitely have to work on zooming in and then not going out of frame. And now I'm just going in with some Coty Airspun Loose Setting Powder and just patting that all over the top of that concealer to really set it down. And now I'm going back in with that brown eyeshadow, and I'm creating our double cut crease. So I'm basically just mapping out where I want the cut crease to be. And I'm creating a halo eye, so I'm putting it on the inner and outer corners of my eyes. And I'm leaving the center free of that dark brown eyeshadow. And now to deepen it up even more, I'm going in with my Sephora dark brown single eyeshadow in the shade Roasted Chestnuts. And I am applying that over the top of that brown as well. And now I'm just going in with my Morphe M506 brush, and I'm just working to blend out that shadow a little bit more, and I'm packing on a little bit more of that brown shadow as well. We want it to be as dark as possible. And now I'm going in with this gold shimmer shade, and I'm popping that right in the center. And I'm also making sure to blend that together with that brown shadow as well. And to make this pop even more, I'm going in with some Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Shadow in the shade Kitten Karma, and I'm putting that right over the top. You don't want to put too much, just enough. And I just created a little glitter line there right in the center as well. And then I'm going in with another Stila Liquid Shadow in the shade Sunset Fire right over the top of that as well. And I'm just going in with a little more dark brown shadow to blend that glitter and the shadow together. And once again, I'm cut off here. I'm sorry about that. And now going in with my Morphe 217 brush, it's just a little liner brush. I'm going over that line of concealer with some more concealer just to clean it up and make it look as straight as possible, I guess. You definitely want to be careful when doing this part. You want to have more precision. I mean, it's not the end of the world if you mess up, but you know, it would suck. So definitely be careful when doing this. And now I'm just setting that down into place and patting on some more Coty Airspun translucent powder. And going in with a makeup wipe, I am just cleaning up the edge of that eyeshadow and making it look nice and sharp. And I'm going in with some more of that Stila glitter right over the top of that concealer line. You don't have to do this if you don't want. It definitely takes some more precision as well. If you're a beginner, this might be kind of hard for you. Definitely takes practice. So if you're afraid of messing up the look, you can just stop here and you do not have to create that glitter line. It definitely does make the look pop though, I will say that. But now I'm just going in and finishing up the rest of my face. And there we go, face is done. So now I'm just taking those same brown shades and putting them on my lower lash line and blending them out. I definitely love to smoke out my lower lash line as much as possible. And here I'm just going in with some dark brown eyeshadow right under my waterline just to add even more depth. And now I'm going in with that gold shimmer shade and I'm popping that right on the inner corners and on my brow bone as well. And now I'm curling my lashes and adding some mascara. And it's upside down, but I'm going in with some Milani Supreme Kohl Kajal eyeliner, and I'm putting that right on my waterline and my upper waterline as well. And now I'm just taking some Cocoa lashes in the style Heiress. I love these eyelashes, and I'm popping those right on. And I'm just adding a little bit more mascara to blend my natural and false lashes together. And can't forget to add some mascara to the lower lashes as well. And there you have it, guys. That is the finished look. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I love how it turned out. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also hit that notification bell if you want to be notified of any of my upcoming videos. Leave me some comments down below, letting me know what you think of this look and also what you want me to do in future uploads. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.